Welcome to the new unit where we're going to be looking to introduce and define blockchains and cryptocurrencies. In this session, we're going to be defining what we mean by blockchain and crypto, and also identifying what types of blockchains exist and which native tokens reside on them. We're also going to be identifying what we mean by a crypto wallet and its important role in helping to mediate your experience within the Web3 ecosystem. We're going to be looking at a variety of different cryptocurrency wallets to give you a better understanding of the options that you might have available. So how can we define what a blockchain is? Well, blockchains are shared databases that store information from various sources within blocks, and these blocks are chronologically linked together via a cryptographic process. As new information or data is collected, it is entered into the current block of different pieces of information, and once the space in this block is filled up, it is chained or linked to the previous block. These blocks of aggregated information are then structured in a chronological order. Blockchains use a mathematical function to convert the information that a user might input into an output that looks like a fixed length of alphanumeric characters. This string of characters is actually an encrypted code that is called a hash. Each of the blocks within the blockchain links to their predecessor by providing a reference to the encrypted alphanumeric string or hash of the previous block. Now this reference between blocks is called a hash pointer, and because the hash of each block links to the hash of its predecessor, data in the blockchain is immutable. This immutability arises from the fact that if someone tried to modify information within a single block, the overall hash of that newly tampered block would create a slightly different hash which would not look similar to the hash of either the preceding or subsequent block in the chain. Different types of information can be stored on a blockchain, but the most common use so far has been as a ledger for transactions. In Bitcoin's case, blockchain is used in a decentralized way so that no single person or group has control. Rather, all users collectively retain control. Decentralized blockchains are immutable, which means that the data entered is irreversible. For Bitcoin, this means that transactions are permanently recorded and viewable to anyone. Most blockchains have a cryptocurrency that is native to their ecosystem, and cryptocurrencies are tokens of value that are native to the blockchain on which they reside. Their structure is primarily fungible or interchangeable by its very nature, so that one cryptocurrency is equivalent to another of the same type. Cryptocurrencies are considered a decentralized form of digital money that are designed to be transacted digitally in a peer-to-peer format. This decentralized structure means that they don't rely on a central issuing or regulatory authority, and the issuance of new units and subsequent transactions of these are recorded within their native blockchain. The encrypted code that is required to verify and corroborate transactions of these tokens is how they have derived their name crypto. Crypto wallets are where your tokens are stored within the blockchain, and they come in a range of different formats. There are software wallets, there are browser extension wallets, there are soft wallets and there are hard wallets, there are hot wallets and there are cold wallets. One example of a browser-based and mobile software wallet is MetaMask. An example of a hardware wallet is Ledger. Ledger wallets are physical devices that look a little bit like a USB key, and they are considered a hardware or cold wallet, which means that they are not connected to the internet. Another example of a hardware wallet is Trezor, and Exodus is another software or desktop wallet. Wallets act as an interface between the user and Web3 economies, including decentralized apps, and they are also where tokens that are either fungible, semi-fungible, or non-fungible are located. I hope this has provided a reasonably useful introduction to blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and wallets as we now continue the program to explore all of these components in greater detail.